We have 2 minus 3 squared times 5 plus 4. So 2 minus 3 squared, 2 minus 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? So 2 minus 9 times 5 plus 4. Now 2 minus 9 equals minus 7 times 5 plus 4. Now minus 7 times 5 equals minus 35 plus 4. Now minus 35 plus 4 equals minus plus minus, so minus 31. But this is not correct. Why? Because multiplication must be done before subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So now solve this again from here. Okay. 2 minus 9 times 5 plus 4. Now multiplication must be done before subtraction. So 2 minus 9 times 5 equals 45 plus 4. Now subtraction and addition left to right. So 2 minus 45 equals minus 43 plus 4. And minus 43 plus 4, minus plus minus, so minus 39.